Welcome to Muslim Invest in Cambodia, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you why you should consider getting Cambodian citizenship in 2026. As you know, the situation in the Middle East, yes, definitely you need a plan B, you need a plan C, you need a place that you can go to in case conflict such as the one right now, where really you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, and you can see places like Dubai that were considered safe havens now really are not safe places to be. So yes, in this video today I'll be sharing with you how you can get Cambodian citizenship in 2026, and definitely why you should get this program. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Muslim Invest in Cambodia, hit the notification button, contact us if you need any legal service in Cambodia. We are based here for more than 10 years. So let's get started. So yes, Cambodia is geographically located between Vietnam and Thailand. So Southeast Asia right now is the fastest growing region in the world right now. And yes, if you want to have a passport in Asia, Cambodia is the only country in Southeast Asia offering a citizenship by investment program. Yes, you can get Cambodian citizenship with a donation route in 2 to 6 months. And the donation route requires you to make a deposit to the National Fund of Cambodia of $250,000. But overall, the program cost is of around $300,000. And the good thing is that actually, if you want to get this program, get this citizenship, if you want to get a new Cambodian name, this is actually allowed. And yes, you have to have a non-criminal record, you have to have a birth certificate. So yes, this is important, because if you want to get Cambodian citizenship, you have to present all these legal documents, and after the background check, you can actually start the application of the program. And yes, you are required to fly to Cambodia with a business e-visa, and then you have to extend the business e-visa for 1 year, get the work permit as well. So yes, the process basically is of between 2 to 6 months time. And yes, you will get a Cambodian ID card, family book, residency book. Yes, all legal documents. If you apply for this program, you will become a Cambodian citizen, and it's pretty easy. Yes, it's definitely important to have a non-criminal record. After some time, so between 2 to 6 months time, you have to come back to Cambodia. Also have to do biometrics. So yes, there are just 2 minimum visits that you have to do in Cambodia. And yes, the citizenship process is pretty straightforward. The second way of getting Cambodian citizenship is by the investment route, meaning you enroll into the Cambodia My Second Home program. So basically you purchase a property in Cambodia, plus you pay $50,000 fee, or you make a deposit for 5 years of $150,000. You then get your money back. And yes, after 5 years, there will be a fee that you need to pay to get Cambodian citizenship by investment. So basically, these are the 2 ways if you want to get Cambodian citizenship. Obviously, the citizenship will be passed to future generations. So if you get Cambodian citizenship, your child will also become a citizen automatically. So this is a good program if you want to have a plan B, a plan C, because you don't know what's going to happen. The world is changing. There are always new conflicts. So it's good to have a plan B, a plan C. And Cambodia is pretty safe. Yes, the Cambodian citizenship program is very simple. You just need a clean, non-criminal record approved by your embassy, consulate, or your own country, and a birth certificate. The purpose of getting Cambodian citizenship is obviously to buy land under your own name. So this is a very good option, and obviously as a Cambodian, you will be able to travel to every country in Southeast Asia without the visa. Yes, this is a good benefit. And obviously, there will be other benefits. But yes, if you want to get Cambodian citizenship, the King of Cambodia, Majesty King Norodom Sihamoni, is actually the one that needs to sign and approve your citizenship. So that's when the king will actually issue you a royal decree. This is when you will be approved as a Cambodian citizen, because once the royal decree from the royal palace is out, then you will officially become a Cambodian citizen. This is a good program to get because the world is really unpredictable, and yes, there are plans to increase the citizenship program up to $1 million investment and $3 million donation. So actually right now is the right time. If you want to get Cambodian citizenship, this is the right time. Yes, there might be changes, the price will definitely increase. So if you have the opportunity, definitely you can contact us on our official websites, www.mustoinvestingcambodia.com. You can also check www.mustoglobal.com. Do help any individual that is interested in a second citizenship, in a second residency. Yes, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.